Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. So if you are coming across this channel for the first time, guys, I will urge you to subscribe to this channel. My name is Prince. Okay, so basically I'm so happy that you invested so much in this material. Sorry. Okay, so in this video I am going to explain to you how you are going to access or have use these materials without any problems. Okay, so basically let's go directly into the materials. So the password you're going to use to access most of the material is udev8.com. So that is the password you're going to use to access most of the materials. Okay, so the first one we have is graphic assets. Okay, graphic assets. So we have server 1. So in this material most of them are saved in server 1 and server 2. So if you look at graphic assets, you will see server 1. Okay, so let me show you server 2. This is server 2. So server 1 and server 2 are the same, just that they are saved on two different platforms. One is saved on my on cloud, the other one is saved on Microsoft. Okay, so if you look at server 1, so we have 700 plus whatever flyers that so we have so many of them. So if you're a graphic designer, you're going to have these things very important for you. Okay, so this is server 1. Server 1 is saved on cloud. So this is server 2. Okay, server 2 is saved on Microsoft. Okay, but they are the same material, so you can decide to access which of them you want. If you want to access the materials on cloud, you are free to do so. If you want to access the materials on Microsoft, you are free to do so. They have the same password. The password I showed you above is the same, so you can use to access them on any platform you want, either Microsoft or cloud. So the next one we have video access. So when you click on the link, it's going to take you either on Microsoft or on cloud, where you can download the materials and use them for your personal use. Sorry. So this is server 1. So we have video bundle. So if you're a video editor, you are going to have these things very important for you. So video access, so we have whatever server 1. Okay, so server 1 we have is stored on cloud. We have server 2. Server 2 they are the same. Okay, server 2 is set on Microsoft, so you can decide to either access the one on Microsoft or the one on cloud. It doesn't matter. So the next one is developer bundles. So this is developer bundles. So the first one we have 500,000 WordPress themes and plugins. So mind you guys, these themes are all premium themes. Okay, they're all premium, including a flat sum theme. Okay, there are so many wonderful themes here. So if you're a freelancer, you are a developer, you are a drop shipper, you are going to find these things very important. And at the end of the day, we have about 250 plus Shopify themes. Okay, so if you're a drop shipper, this is going to be useful for you. So this is server 1. This is server 1 is saved on cloud. This is server 2, guys. Server 2, this server 2 is saved on Microsoft, so you can decide to access which or any of them, so they have the same password. The next one we have is premium courses. So we have 200 plus rated courses on Udemy. Next is 200 courses from Guru. The next we have 15 courses from Udemy also. So these are, so the first one is saved on cloud, the next one is saved on Microsoft, so you can decide to access any of them with the same password. The next one we have ebooks. All right, so 300,000 ebooks bundles. So okay, this is server 1, this is server 2. You can decide to access any of them with the same password. The next one we have video editing software. All right, so we have 2020 version, 2021, and so on. So you can use Microsoft Mac or iOS to download them. See, the password here is 123. Okay, zip file 123. Okay, so that is the password for this video editing software. Okay, so this server 2. All right, the next one is the advanced ChatGPT prompt. So here we have about 2,200 ChatGPT prompts. All right, so it's going to be very useful for you. It doesn't matter what you are doing, you're a business person, a graphic designer, a freelancer, whatever, you are going to find this ChatGPT prompt very, very important for you. So guys, I want you to take note of something. Okay, basically I would like you to access these bundles on a laptop. Okay, this ChatGPT prompt on a laptop, because this file is so heavy. If you use your phone, it's going to be very slow and you are not going to find it very easy to use them. So I advise you to use a laptop, a desktop, to access this ChatGPT prompt. Okay, please, I plead to use your laptop here. Okay, so the last one here, this is just a bonus because this is not included in the bundle I sold, but I just thought like if you guys can invest so much in these materials, let me give you guys some bonus. All right, so I give you guys freelance and digital marketing courses. So we have 30 plus recorded video courses, so you can access these courses without downloading them on your laptop or on your desktop. So the top rated courses. Okay, so social media, WordPress, Android app, Facebook, search engine optimization, email marketing, Google Ads, YouTube, and so on and so forth, video editing, so e-commerce. So these courses are so amazing, but guys, I give you guys these course for free, these top courses for free. Okay, it's just a bonus for you. And again, thank you so much for trusting in me. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, because sometimes I will need to do some changes. If there is something I will need to update, so I will make a video about it so that you guys can get to know. But if you don't subscribe to the channel, you can't know what I'm doing. Okay, so please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you know anyone who might need this, you can always refer the person to me or send them the link to buy them, because it's going to be very important for them. They're going to spend less time to work and more time with their family and loved ones. Thank you guys, and bye bye. See you guys next time.